welcome to Inovance at WIN EURASIA 2026. My name is Hakan Boyacı and I am the Sales and Marketing Manager at Inovance Turkey. We are delighted to be here in Istanbul for the next 3 days, showcasing our latest innovations in industrial automation and intelligent manufacturing. At Inovance, our vision is simple: advancing industrial automation for a better world. We are committed to helping manufacturers become more efficient, intelligent, and sustainable through innovative automation solutions. From motion control and robotics to drives, motors, PLCs, HMIs, machine vision, and industrial digitalizations, we help manufacturers improve productivity, efficiency, and competitiveness. Let me take you on a quick tour of our booth. Starting here, you can see our 6-axis industrial robot performing a high-speed pick-and-place application. This demonstration showcases seamless integration of the Inovance, including the servo drives, motion controllers, machine vision, sensors, HMI system, and pneumatic systems working together as a one intelligent automation platform. Next, we have our integrated automation solutions. Demonstrate the power of AM522 series PLC, Ethercat I/O modules, HMIs, and our IS810 servo system. This architecture enables precise machine control, high-speed communication, and flexible system expansion for a wide range of industrial applications. Moving forward, we present our dedicated motion control platform featuring advanced PLC and motion solutions. Combined with our high-performance servo system, these solutions are designed for demanding application requiring precision, synchronization, and dynamic performance. On this podium, you can explore our comprehensive variable frequency drive portfolio. We are showcasing the latest MD600 series, MD520 series, MD630 series, MD800 series, and also our engineering drive, MD880 series, and also our HD9X series drives offering variable and energy-efficient motor control solutions across various industries. Alongside our drives, we also present our extensive motor portfolio, including high-efficiency motors and ATEX certified motors designed for hazardous environments, where safety and reliability are critical. You can see our SCARA robot demonstration, highlighting fast and accurate automation for assembly, handling, and packaging solutions. As you can see, Inovance offers a truly comprehensive industrial automation portfolio, from robotics and motion control to drives, motors, machine vision, industrial networking, and pneumatic solutions. Our goal is to help our customers simplify automation, improve performance, accelerate their journey towards smart manufacturing.